Hi everyone, welcome to this lecture to discover what this class is for and who is it for. We already mentioned a few examples in the previous lecture, but let's see again if the content of this class is a good fit for you, if Python is a good fit for you, and what you will benefit from it. Here are a few things you'll be able to tackle when you finish this course. You'll be able to handle big files to extract meaningful information, clean and sort files for further analysis. We are talking here about merging file, VLOOKUP, pivot table, remove corrupted information, unnecessary information, and more. You'll be able to create one file per customer in a second if you want, generate interactive charts, and a lot more. The scope of this course is limited, but from experience, this is where the most repetitive tasks are made, where Python can help, and where you will save most of time. Let's see now who will benefit from this class. Now that we just deal with what it is for, let's check if this could be a good fit for you. This course can be applied in multiple domains as long as you deal with Excel and have repetitive tasks. Accountants, analysts, geologists are some of the jobs that can quickly and easily benefit from what will be taught here, but that's not the only ones. The goal of this is to offer you some quick wins and help you overcome the initial step that could seem complicated, but require just the right recommendation and the right guidance to get started quickly without efforts. I do not aim to teach you everything about Python. Other classes are doing this much better, but I am here to teach you something actionable that you will be able to use straight away in your daily job. What I hope for this, that the exercises and examples we will go through can be copied and adjusted to your needs. I hope that at the end of the class, you will already be able to save time by creating your first script. Also, I will certainly simplify a lot of concepts of programming to make sure you focus on what really matters first. I believe that with this course and the first script you will build, you will have the knowledge and tools to learn further and expand your Python knowledge. But first, this class will teach you enough to get you engaged and addicted to programming. I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and I'll see you soon.